All right. So now that our background is transparent or clear, it's time for us to add the background. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, majority actually, hindi nagwo-work yung drag and drop nila sa kanilang sa Photoshop. So what you can do is click on File. Well, actually, wait. Click on File and then click Open. Go to your image na gusto mong idagdag. In this case, gusto kong idagdag yung dinownload ko kanina from Pexels. I downloaded, where is it? I can't find it. Saan ba? Oh, that's the mali. There. So this is the image that I would like to add. So what it's gonna do is it will open a new file. Then I'm just gonna unlock it, Command A or Control A to select all, and then Command C or Control C to copy it. And then go back to your image, Control V or Command V to paste it. And then Command T or Control T para magkaroon ng line. And then you can just drag it down to reshape it. So this is to size it relevant to your artboard. Okay? Medyo mahirap itong way na to actually, magbabagal yung computer ko dito. Pero if this is the only way that it works for you, then I guess you don't have a choice but to do it this way. There. Hindi siya. I can just make that a little bit bigger. Okay. There. Okay. So you don't have to constrain your proportion by clicking Shift. Sa Photoshop, baliktad. Pag kinlik mo yung Shift, it will actually skew the image. Okay? So that's my image. Now I'm just gonna click Enter and make sure that that image is the edited image. There. So that's my background behind my edited image.